keep leaving. How do I keep them in?
Here's 85 meters of fencing. Build a fence.
Hey, you look smart. I have 85 meters of fencing, and I want to build the biggest pen for my animals. How can I do that? Can you help me?
I can optimize that.
So how far from the edge do you want your pen to be?
Well, this is the outcropping where this is 5 meters, and on the other side is 10 meters. So I want the pen to start on those corners and go around in a rectangle. Because of the 5 and 10 near the animal house, the 85 meters of fencing won't have to go there.
Okay, we can do that. The perimeter can be written as x plus x minus 10 plus y minus 5. Once we simplify the equation, we get 2x plus 2y minus 15. Since we have 85 meters of fencing available, we make this equation equal to 85. Once we simplify by moving the 15 over, we get 70 equals to 2x plus 2y. We can then solve for y by dividing each side by 2. And then we get 35 minus x equals to y. This is the area of the pen, which can be expressed as x, the width, times y, the length. We can then take the previous expression for y and then substitute it for y in the area formula to get area in terms of just x. This is the area in terms of just x. This can be simplified to 35x minus x squared.
What are we going to do with that equation?
This is the graph of the area of the pen as the length changes. To maximize the area, you need to find the highest point. On the graph, the maximum point is evident. Without a graph, however, we must find where the slope equals 0. To solve for the max, make the derivative of the equation equal 0 and solve for x. When we take the derivative of the area, we get 35 minus 2x. To find the maximum, we make this equation equal to 0, and then we solve for x. 35 equals to 2x, and x will equal to 35 divided by 2, which is also equal to 17.5, which my graph has already showed us. Now all that's left is to solve for y using the simplified perimeter expression and the value we obtained for x. So we get 35 minus 35 over 2, which can then equal to 35 over 2, which is also 17.5. The dimensions of the pen with the largest area are 17.5 meters by 17.5 meters, which happens to be a square.
Optimize.